These businesses I'm about to mention right here in this video is very lucrative, especially for my ladies who are looking for businesses to start in 2025. Now, number 7 is my favorite. Is one of my favorite, and I will want you to watch this video all the way to the end to understand exactly these businesses and how you can go about it. Hi everyone, my name is Ifnaya Nwaigwe, and right inside of this video I'm going to be showing you 9 businesses that you can start with little amounts of money, especially for ladies here in Nigeria, living here in Nigeria, doing business in Nigeria. Maybe you're looking for a side hustle, or maybe you want to change your business and you are confused on what to start. Now these businesses are for you. Now I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are yet to do that, I talk about business, finance, marketing, how to use artificial intelligence to create content and also grow your business. All right, so without any further talking, let's just dive into this video. The first one is food item business. Now let me tell you about one secret. People will always eat. Nigerians are eating. You and I eat. At least once in a day, people will eat. This is a lucrative business that you can go into. Even if you don't have a large amount of money to go into wholesaling of rice, beans, gari, and buying everything in bulk, you can literally use a little amount of money and then buy these things in smaller quantity and start a local retail business in your locality. It's a good business. You will sell. There is no day that people do not buy products or food items. There is no day that people do not eat. There is no day that people do not buy food items. There is no day that people do not cook. There is no day that people do not eat. So it's a good business. Both the sick, the healthy ones are always eating. So it's a good business if you go into this kind of business. Buy food item in small quantity, in large quantity, and then you sell to people in your vicinity. You're actually going to make money from that. The second one is jewelry business. This is something that I see a lot of people don't really understand, that jewelry and jewelry accessories are good business. If you can sell, if you can make a bead, if you can make there is one I see people doing now. This is a wooden earring and wooden accessories. It's a good business. If you can go into jewelry, necklaces, wristwatch, anklets, and ring, nose ring, a lot of them now are good businesses. So you can go into that business, look for people who have them in wholesale, buy from them, and then resell to people in your locality. You're going to make a ton from that. Okay, the third one is cleaning business. People like professionals who are in banks and who have houses, they need cleaners to clean their houses. They don't just need any random person to come and clean their houses. They need professionals. So if you can dive into that business, if you can go into that business, it doesn't even require much. Just with your hands and your mop and your sweeping items like brooms and packer and even cleaning agents. All right, so if you have all those things together, you can easily go into that business. It's a lucrative one. It's good for business. And I think there's a girl I admire so much who does so wonderfully well on Facebook. She lives in Orria and she's doing that business comfortably. It is feeding her, she's making her money. And people are sourcing after her to come and clean their houses, to come and clean their offices. So it's not a bad business. A lot of people see it like, so I will be a cleaner, I will become a janitor, I will become a cleaner. No, become a professional in that and you'll see people patronize your business. The fourth one is natural skincare products. Now, this is something that a lot of Nigerian women and men want here. Currently, people want to smoothen their skin, people want to protect their skin from sun, but at the same time, not bleach. So if you can do some black soap mix, some shea butter mix, and even oil to protect people from sun, to protect our skin and make the skin look good and glow as well. If you can mix these organic and natural skincare products, why not? Go into that business. Then tell us about it. Educate us more. Create content around that skincare products and you will see people buy. You will see Nigerians patronize your business. So this is something that you want to do. Create and formulate natural skincare products. Then you will sell. It is that easy to start. Okay. Number 5 is small shops and catering business. If you want to start small shop business, this doesn't take money from your bag. I mean, it doesn't require much. Just small shops like puff puff, samosa, and even a spring roll. These things are needed in events. They are highly sorted after. They are highly sorted after for events. Okay, so if you are good in making these three items, just puff puff, samosa, and also spring roll, you will sell. Yes, people need that. You just finger licking good. Just when you pick it and you put it inside your mouth, it is very sweet. So if you can make it, if you can make it tasty, small shops for events, and even starting a catering business is also okay. All right, so these are needed in events. If you can do it, if you can create tasty meals, tasty recipes, and then you give your catering services. Okay, you will make good money, good fortune. If you can cook as well, if you can make wonderful jollof rice, cook meals that are needed in events, why not? You will sell. That is one thing I love about Nigerians. Nigerians love to party. As long as you can give them the recipes that they want, they will come to your party. They will enjoy. They will do all sorts of things to you. So one secret I will always tell you is that become good. Be good at whatever you are doing. Be good in that food that you are cooking. Okay, make tasty and wonderful meals, and you will see yourself selling. It's just simple. All right. Number 6 is daycare services. Daycare services. I mean, working parents want to take their children to some places that they can look after their children. So you as a parent, you as a young woman who is a stay-at-home mom, you can look for a particular area, a particular section of your house, decorate it, paint it with beautiful colors, hang beautiful pictures, and then tell parents, market yourself, tell parents that you have a daycare for them to bring their children to you, and then you take care of those children. I will have to warn you, you need to be tolerant. Yes, you need to be tolerant to those children, okay? Because those children are tender and they are toddlers. Those people are energetic. So you need to be patient with them. You need to be patient with those children, and then you take care of them as well. I mean, since COVID-19, this has been a lucrative business for most businesses, for most people. If you can go into that, why not? So start that business now, and then you make your profit every single month. Number 7 is my favorite. I think I already mentioned that before, which is online tutoring, online teaching. If you have any skills, any business idea that you want to teach it. If you are good in any subject like physics, maths, biology, I know a lot of students are really confused about this subject. So if you are really good in them, dive into online teaching. If you have a skill that you want people to learn, dive into teaching. I mean, this is what I do as well. I have a boot camp. I have a training that I teach to people. I teach people how to grow their business. I teach people marketing. I teach people how to use AI for business growth. So you as a person, if you are good in teaching, if you know that thing very well, why not teach it? Why are you wasting time? It is a part of you making profit as well. And you know one thing about online teaching, you can do it on the side. It's a side hustle. So you and your phone and your whiteboard, and then you do your teaching. People are going to bring in their children to watch you. People are going to come to learn from you. So anything teaching, anything online tutoring, and you feel you are good in that, you can start it. It is very, very simple and understandable. Okay, and then the 8th one is Okrika business. This is normally called thrift clothing or thrift sale, but then it is Okrika. That is what we call it in Nigeria. You know, one thing about this Okrika business is, if you are able to get the upper grade or higher grade of it, I mean, you will sell. People are going to be coming to you to buy clothes, to buy shoes, to buy bags. Even some people go as far as getting electronics like fridge, iron, blender, and the rest of them. So if you are good in getting high grades of Okrika products, people will buy from you. They want to buy from you. They will always purchase your product. And you know one thing, in as much as it's not pockets, it doesn't tear your pocket, it is also good. It is durable. That's one thing about these products. It is durable, and that's why people are purchasing it. So if you can get upper grade or higher grade of it, then start selling immediately. That is the 8th one. Then the last one, which is the 9th one, is hair and beauty salon. Who doesn't like to look good? Both men and women will like to look good. Okay, so if you can go into that business, if you can open a salon and make people look good, make their hair, weave their hair, do all sorts of things to them, make them up whenever they want to go to an event. Why not start it? Why not? Okay, so these are some of the lucrative businesses that you can start as a woman here in Nigeria, living in Nigeria, and doing all sorts of things in Nigeria. All right, so these are the 9 businesses that you can start as a woman right now and beyond. From now, this is 2024, you're going to be starting that in 2024, 2025 and beyond. You're going to be making a lot of money from that. So do not sleep, do not slumber, start now and then make your profit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.